Hey, what's up guys, it's Mark here of Driver67. So this is going to be a quick Tuxmat review. I've seen this around on quite a few channels, car review channels that I like to follow. Anyways, so they kind of promoted the Tuxmat quite a bit there. So I was like, oh, you know what, I really need this because I do winter drive my car. And you know what, winter driving with the factory carpets sucks. So anyways, here's a quick look at this Tuxmat here. So initially I thought, like from the videos, it's going to be like really hard plastic, but actually it's kind of soft. It kind of conforms as well, so it's really flexible, and yeah, it's kind of soft right here, and it hooks into the factory clips here, factory clip points, which is nice. And yeah, so it's not crazy hard. It's some softness to it. Tuxmat, a little warning label, which let's remove that. And one thing I noticed when it first came in is on this side here, there's a little plastic clip. I guess it's above on both sides there, but this plastic clip was kind of coming off. It's too high, I think, the stitching or the joints there. Here, let me try to, I guess it's not easy to remove it. It was falling off when it first came in. Yeah. So you see how like these two pieces here kind of joins together, so it's just to hide that. You probably won't see it because it's up in the footwell, right? So anyways, this is how it looks like. And also it comes with this little bag right here. I thought it was green tea, but I'm not sure. I'm assuming that it's like installation instructions. You know what, let's open it up right now. That's a lot of clips here. So yeah, lots of plastic clips. I gotta read the instruction to figure out where they go. Alright, so let's just install it on the driver's side first. So you got all the driver's seat all the way back. And what I learned, this is my second time putting it in, is you gotta really push it all the way far back there. And then now get the clips. So one thing that usually obstructs, so this little driver slider, that little handle there is always blocking it. Ooh, someone has a powerful car, V8. Anyways, yeah, so tuck it in underneath the handle here. Let's pop it in to the factory holes. And let's move the sides here. And remember the little green packet that came along with it? So those are clips. Here, these guys here. So there's, I think, two kinds of clips in there. So what you want to do is you want to have the clips basically helping hold the sides or the edges here so it doesn't flop right down. So just put one of these clips here. And one of the clips at the bottom here just to hold this side edge. And another one here. Maybe as far forward as possible. Back here, push it all the way far back there. Okay, looks good. Now the slider handle, it's always in the way. It's nice that it's really tight fit, covers everywhere. And it's not the plastic's not super hard to the point that you cannot move it around. There you go. And move the mic a little bit. Now lining up the factory holes, the clip points. There we go. There we go. It's clipped in there. Okay, I'll show you the coverage for both mats. So the passenger side is covered right here, all the way up there too as well. Does not cover the cup holder. Let's put the cup holder back. Oops. Let's put the cup holder back. There we go. And the 12-volt outlet. So the 12-volt outlet seems like it's not being blocked at all. It's like right there. And covers the edge here, covers the edge pretty well. I guess you can get some of those clips here to hold the edge in there, but I don't really care for passengers, so they can fumble around. The most important side is the driver's side. So this is how it all looks like with it fully installed. Brake pedals, gas pedal. I could use something to hold this back here. Eventually I'll figure it out. Yeah, a little rubber right here. And clutch pedal. Okay, so after installing it and driving it for only a few minutes, I hate it. I don't like it. I really don't like it. There's quite a bit of interference with a footwear, or at least my footwear. Maybe everyone's experience could be a bit different depending on the foot size and whichever here. Right, so what happens for me is when I clutch in, I notice when I clutch in and when I'm moving back up, it kind of catches where the rubber is right here. Kind of catches the heel of my feet a little bit. So see, yeah, exactly like that. So it got stuck. Kind of catches it. So one time I wasn't able to rev match properly, and yeah, it's just actually it got stuck quite often. I'm not kidding. So I don't like it. The rubber here. Yeah, see, this is a problem. I mean, initially I'm getting used to, because you know where your heel sits is slightly different now. Feels different, but yeah, just the rubber catching on the clutch pads. Yeah, exactly like that. Maybe some people use the clutch differently. Maybe some people use it like with the heel resting here. But I don't find like this is the good leverage to push it down all the way. So to push all the way the clutch there, yeah, see, just catches your feet. See how my feet's now, and I tightened my laces pretty well already, so it just catches like that. So this happened like out of 5 clutch depression, probably catches 2 times for me. So unfortunately, great presentation, great looking product, but the rubber piece on the mat there is just interfering with my footwear. Different footwear I tried, definitely, you know, some footwear is actually less of interference. So yeah, footwear dependent, but I think it should be really improved upon. So I contacted Tuxmat. Tuxmat is send me a shipping label, so they're going to pay the shipping and have it returned because they got the satisfaction guarantee. Unfortunately, I'm not satisfied with the product, so I've went ahead and also purchased WeatherTech floor mats, and I'm hoping to get them pretty soon here, and stay tuned for a review of those ones for the MX-5.